I'm Olly Walker and I am a director for Fife Youth Arts. So I've helped plan for Festival 15, I helped out at the Fringe, I've been to loads of local events and things, and I started helping out the Seven Wonders project. I think through just talking to people involved and talking to them, they convinced me to try it out. So I've helped out at the Fringe in Edinburgh, doing loads of backstage stuff there, and I've gone to loads of local events in my area and helped out advertising and flyering and organising Festival 15. I think the highlight so far has been working with the Seven Wonders project to write a book about Fife, a graphic novel about Fife. I think I learned what it's like to work backstage at a major event like the Fringe, but also sort of talking to the public and things like that. Definitely go for it because you'll end up doing things you never thought you'd do, but it's definitely worth it.